Hi there, welcome to the Heart Handmade UK YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. We are going to be making Christmas colouring pages with the Cricut and 0 drawing skills are required. Before we get into the tutorial, I would love it if you would like, share, comment and subscribe. It is the best way for you to support my channel and not have to pay anything at all. Before we get started, again, I just want to point out how friggin' cute are these illustrations. I went to Design Bundles and I found an artist with the most beautiful illustrations and immediately bought them, and they cost me less than $2. So I downloaded those and then I got my Cricut machine ready, my Cricut pen, I got my tablet with the Cricut Design Space app, then mat and cardstock. Those are the tools that you're going to need. Ignore the glue gun and the other tools. So whenever you go into the Design Space app, you will want to navigate and go to hit New Project. Whenever you hit New Project, a canvas comes up, and in the bottom left-hand corner, you can hit the Upload button and insert these illustrations that we got from Design Bundles. Something that's really important is you need to select the layer and then go and hit Edit and make sure that down in the bottom left hand corner, you see where it says cut, and now it's going to change to draw. Well, after I do it again, because it didn't take that first time. So I hit draw, I selected the pen that I've got, and this is what appears. Don't worry too much about the way you're going to organize, because you need to hit the make it button, select your paper size, because I was using A4 paper. So this is how it always comes up. You want to select the paper that you're using, and then this is where you will position what you've got. The only thing is you can't make things bigger or smaller. You can only position them, and you will have to go back if you need to make anything smaller or bigger. But if you're happy enough with the layout, you can hit continue, and then we will just double check everything we got and we'll load the mat into the machine, wait patiently, and then see that flashing button? Ready to make. It just gets fed through the machine, and then the Cricut pen just starts to go crazy. I just left this going, and you're going to be able to tell because somebody's coming in a wee minute. Someone's coming to say hi and see what's going on, and I decided to speed this up. This is not how fast the Cricut machine draws things. You can select a fast option or a higher quality option. The higher quality one is a lot slower, but a lot more precise, but I wasn't worried about being precise, so I selected the fast option and then turned around and used my desk on the other side to do other things, while this just drew these gorgeous layouts. And while the Cricut machine goes ahead and draws our beautiful Christmas designs, I want to give you a couple of ideas of how to take this further. You do not have to just make Christmas colouring pages. You could turn this into artwork. The Cricut pens come in all colours, so you can actually turn this into faux hand-drawn artwork that you end up framing. You can do the same for making your own Christmas cards. You can use like printer paper to do this and create your own gift wrap. If it's the really lightweight printer paper, you know, the stuff that's not the best quality, that is really good for wrapping paper if you've got small gifts and things like that. It's such a cute idea. And then if you left it black and white, you could wrap the kids' gifts in there, and then during Christmas lunch, or if you're trying to get them to be quiet so you can actually make Christmas lunch, then having these to colour in is fantastic. It is just a wee, kind of like a busy bag that a lot of weddings would give out. It's really good. Oh, hello there, poopers. She was just coming to see what was going on. What's this? What's the noise? Oh, just creative director of this channel, has to be in every video. If she isn't, she's a diva. And I didn't realise she was there because I had my back to her. Whenever I turned around, oh, hello, excuse me. So she's just keeping watch over our wee project. Thank you for your service, poopers. It's greatly appreciated. And because this little thing took so long, I ended up cutting the video because my camera was running out of space, and it did take a while, but this is what it looked like as soon as it was finished. And using the tool that looks like a fish slice, I gently lifted it. Don't peel back the paper at too much of an angle because you will ruin it. How cute are those colouring pages with all the little gifts? I just had so much fun making this. I really hope that you can tell. And because I absolutely loved doing this, I wanted to show you just my favourite way to colour things using my Tombow markers. I had initially wanted to do these things with watercolor, but I do realize that the Cricut pens aren't permanent ink, so if you do put watercolor on this ink, it will run. However, if you go onto eBay or take a look in the description or wherever I've listed the supplies, I will give a list or a link, to an eBay store that sells adapters for your Cricut machine, where you can put any kind of pen in there. You can put Sharpies in there, you can put markers in there, you can any brand, and I think it's really fantastic. And if you want to color as a part of a mindfulness exercise or just to calm yourself down, it is such an enjoyable experience. Whenever you are creating a design, maybe if you want it to become artwork, I would recommend that you limit your color palette. So I chose kind of red, lime green and turquoise, but the pinks and the reds are just shades of each other, so that's all right. You can have different shades of different colors. And I was very, very careful adding my watercolor here, but you can see that it lifts up the pen and turns it into a lime green. So I didn't mind the way that appeared. I really didn't. And I had plans then to go over and do it with yellow just to bring out the brightness and add more color. This is such a meditative experience. It's easy for you to say, huh? And it's so much fun, and it is such a great way to spend an afternoon. I really, really enjoyed it. And I hope that you enjoyed the fact that you don't have to be an artist to be able to create hand-drawn artwork, okay? You can buy artwork from other people and make it a pen work. You can also use the pen work from the Cricut on any kind of material, obviously, that the Cricut accepts. So the Cricut maker that I use can do this on over like 200 materials, including leather, wood, cardstock, plastic, vinyl, you name it. You can do it all on the Cricut machine. I think it's a really worthy investment. If you can afford it, it is a super versatile machine. If you would love to see me doing any artwork like process videos in terms of painting, learning new skills, please leave a comment below and let me know, because if you are interested in that, I will absolutely record one for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, again, like, comment, share and subscribe. It is the best way to support us without actually having to spend any money at all or do much. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.